Hey everyone, so this will be a very fast unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. This is the 64GB version, which also gives you 4GB of RAM, which is an upgrade over the base version, which is 32GB of storage and only 3GB of RAM, which we had when this first came out. I think it was a few months ago, earlier this year. So this is the better version. There's also one that has, I believe, 128GB of storage, but also 4GB of RAM. So we have the middle guy here, but the most amount of RAM as we can get. That is the important part. So again, very quick unboxing. That is it for this video. Right. If it wants to cooperate. Okay, it's just a bit different than other boxes. So we have paperwork. Have a little tool there to get to the micro SD card slot. We have USB Type-C and also a wall charger, which is actually more than what you get with their phones these days. It's kind of funny. You can drop over $1,000 on the Ultra on their phone, and don't even get the wall charger with it. Drop a few $100 on this, couple $100 on this, and you get a wall charger. It's kind of funny, if you ask me. Ooh. So I got mine from Walmart. Almost looks like someone. You guys can't see it. There's like fingerprints on mine, which is weird because it was taped up. So looking around it here, we have, of course, the back camera. Very tiny writing there. I thought it was a scratch. It says Samsung there. The front has a camera right there, as you can see. Let's see, it looks like it has speaker here, speaker here. You guys can let me know if one of these is fake, like they are on the one of the iPads has fake speaker grills, or just has speaker grills, not speakers. Mic, power button, volume rocker, mic, two more speakers or at least grills, USB Type-C for charging, and then the micro SD card slot there. So there we go. Like I said, very quick, just unboxing this time. Stay tuned though, we'll be doing a bunch of videos on this one. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys very much for watching. As always, I appreciate you. Hope you all have a good one. See you guys next time. Goodbye.